Hi, this is Chuck. I own an SEO agency. We specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I was doing a keyword search for Charleston Tree Service and going through the pages. On the first page there's the map pack. Then you get into the organic rankings. These first couple are directories, so don't worry about those, but here you start getting into some of your competitors that are on the first page. And you may or may not know that 80% of all new searches that people do for Charleston Tree Service end up choosing one of the top 3 search results, or certainly somebody on the first page. So I was looking for your company and found you down here. Here we go, Ablsolute Tree Company. And what I did was looked up your site and found it here, and it really pops with some good pictures, and hopefully your web person is putting in the image alt tags here that will help signal Google to rank you higher. But you've got some good content on here, so there are some good things on there that you certainly want to keep. Just want to make you aware of a couple of things that I noticed about your site that Google looks at in order to trust a site. That's what Google's about. They're all about trusting a site, because they're in it for the end user experience. They want people searching key terms to find what they're looking for fast, and what they find, they want it to be good, correct information, authoritative content, and make the search experience easy and user-friendly for them. So the first thing they look at for on a site is, what is your title? And Google looks at that to determine what your page is about. So we put your URL into our metadata extractor, and this is what comes out. And this is actually what shows up as the blue line on Google, on the Google search. The thing is, you probably know that people are not searching this particular term. They're looking for Charleston Tree Service. So Google likes to see, or will pick up, what will signal Google is if you put in Charleston Tree Service and then have like one of these vertical lines and put Ablsolute Trees, Tree Service. You have 72 characters to play with here, but the first thing you want to put in there that will signal Google to rank you higher is Charleston Tree Service, vertical line, Ablsolute Trees. The next thing Google looks at is the heading tags to determine what your site is, not only what your site's about, but what you want to rank for. And so your first major heading tag is right here, and while it does describe something about your site, again, as far as them using it to rank what your site is about and what it's for, they want it to be congruent with what people are searching for, Charleston Tree Service. So on your site, you'd want to have, up here towards the right here is your heading tag. You'd want to have Charleston Tree Service, and I know you may be in other areas as well, and that's great. In fact, I'm sure you are. But you could do this, or we could do this for you for each service area. But in coming up for Charleston Tree Service, you'd want to have Charleston Tree Service, then you can put this stuff under it, and or you can kind of rearrange things to make it work for you. So hopefully those couple of things help you out, and you can do those things yourself, or we'll be glad to help you. Hope you have a good day. Take care.